What you're going to hear about today is nothing short of a miracle.
But that's only part of the story.
It's the most tremendous new musical experience you can have.
In space, this is only the beginning. Only the beginning.
That the moon is a ready-made way station in space. The surface of the moon is quite different from that of the Earth.
Let's find out. Ready, set, go! As the extrovert that she is not. She goes over and over little events in her life, reliving her successes and suffering through her failures all over again.